Ever wondered how easy would it be if there was a system which would generate business reports exactly the way you want them to be? Can any CRM do that? Can there be any such a system which would customize the reports just for your business? The answer is yes. With Maple CRM, you get the provision of generating your own custom reports, set up filter conditions based on data parameters as per your requirement, and generate the most informative yet simple reports which match your expectations from point to point. You can generate custom generic reports, summary reports, and analytics in Maple CRM. In this video, let's have a look how summary reports are generated for the leads. Let's take an example here of the number of leads received from various sources for a period of 1 year mapped against the respective owners. Now let's generate a summary report. In the reports over here, click the summary reports, then go to new report and select the context on which you want to generate the summary report. You can choose the count of the summary report data by the lead source, status or the owner. Let's take for example how to create a report by the source. In this option, you can select against which matrix the data is to be compared. In our example, we are comparing with the lead owner. You can put up the time period filters over here, like the data to be displayed for the last month, or you can put up from and to dates as well. You can also put up additional filters like interested country or any other custom parameter. For example, here let's take interested country is Canada. Here you can select what do you want to do with the report. Do you want to download it or you want to just view it over here? So you can have the entire report generated exactly in the way you want it to be formatted, and you can also save it as a template so that next time onwards all you have to do is just select the name of the template and your report is generated for you. This report can also be edited as and when required. Let's say you want to change the filter conditions the next time you are generating the reports. You can do so here very quickly and you can generate the report as per your requirements. That's how you generate powerful and informative custom summary reports in Maple CRM which benefit your business performance analytics.